This is a series of quantum commands to break the bonds that tie you to your birthing certificate and to move you towards sovereignty. Please relax and be present. When we refer to you or your, we're referring to your body, mind, auras, energy and spiritual bodies, your soul and source selves, in your quantum, meta, scalar, and macro fields, and all past timelines and lineages. All listeners, you are aware of all attempts to adversely manipulate your conscious, subconscious, and superconscious minds. True, source, true. Your minds reject all harmful subliminal messages and magic sigils installed or that you were deceptively tricked into installing. True, source, true. All harmful subliminal messages and magic sigils, false, false, false. Expel universe of Sophia, universe of Satan, the mothers of darkness and Baal, including all Phoenicians and their puppet masters. Transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. Universe of Sophia, universe of Satan, the mothers of darkness and Baal, and including all Phoenicians and their puppet masters. False, false, false. Any emotions or thoughts triggering victimhood, transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. Emotions or thoughts triggering victimhood, false, false, false. Victimhood, false, false, false. Disable all physical and etheric implants in the brain. Transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. All physical and etheric implants in the brain. False, false, false. All implants. False, false, false. Dream spell, ego, tunnel vision, and inverted perception. False, false, false. All lies and deceptions expressed in the past. False, false, false. Activate 360-degree vision and enable stillness. True, source, true. Activate all areas of the frontal lobe and right hemisphere of the brain to enable critical thinking, empathy, and detachment. True, source, true. Connect the brain to the heart and gut to allow knowledge, wisdom, compassion, and discernment for truth. True, source, true. Denounce all bonds and sureties and break all ties to your birthing certificate. True, source, true. All bonds and sureties tied to your birthing certificate. False, false, false. Lift and remove all Rothschild's poverty spells and curses. Transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. Rothschild's poverty spells and curses. False, false, false. Delete and cancel all bets placed against your success and failure. Transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. All bets placed against your success and failure. False, false, false. Dissolve all money systems set up to trick and enslave humanity. Transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. All money systems set up to trick and enslave humanity. False, false, false. Dissolve the slavery grids. Transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. Slavery grids. False, false, false. Delete and false the connection between your surname in capital letters with the corporation unlawfully created. Transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. Connection between your surname in capital letters and the unlawful corporation created. False, false, false. Reclaim all monies and equities owed to us as free will beings. True, source, true. Dissolve and false all Admiralty maritime laws. Transmute and send to ether. True, source, true. Admiralty maritime laws. False, false, false. Transmute land, air and water law. L.A.W. Send to ether. True, source, true. L.A.W. False, false, false. You will now only answer to universal law, L-O-R-E, namely, 1. You will cause no harm. 2. You are free to do whatever you want to do, providing it causes no harm. 3. If you do cause harm, you will pay restitution for the harm in labour and sweat equity. True, source, true. You hereby disembark from the citizen ship to walk on dry land and be a free man or a free woman. True, source, true. Citizen ship. False, false, false. Adopt and reconnect to your first and middle names. True, source, true. You no longer refer to yourself as a person. True, source, true. From this day forward, you will only accept the recognition of yourself as a man or a woman. True, source, true. Say after me, from this day forward, I am a sovereign being. True, source, true. Ground to source. True, source, true. Add vortex of pure source heart. True, source, true. On behalf of Quantum Co-Creators, we wish you a life of gratitude, peace, and harmony. Thank you.